Good morning, madam. My name is Mugilan. My matrix number is 23DBT20F2007. Today, I'm going to carry out an experiment of DNA extraction with dragon fruit. So now, the materials needed are two metal cups and the dragon fruit, a knife and a knife pot, salt, and a detergent solution, ethanol, which is the homemade ethanol, and a thermometer, a plastic, two uh, wooden wooden rod, and then a conical flask, and a filter, and a bowl, and a kettle, and a piece of paper. Now I'm going to prepare the ethanol solution. That we need a warm water, sugar, yeast, and a flat bottom flask. Now I'm going to put the sugar in the flask. Now I'm going to put the yeast inside the conical flask. Now I'm going to pour the warm water inside the flask, about half the flask. Okay. Okay. Then close the lid and shake the mixture and store for 2 days or 1.5 days. Now I am already done the ethanol solution from the sugar fermentation process. So now let's move to the next step. The first step is I'm going to cut the dragon fruit into smaller pieces and put this fruit into the plastic bag. Okay. Now smash the fruits inside the plastic bag. Okay, now I'm going to mix the salt inside the detergent solution. Just a little bit. Then mix the solution. Now I'm going to pour the fruit mixture into the conical flask. So make sure not mess around the table. Now I'm going to pour the detergent and salt solution about 5 ml into the conical flask. Shake gently the solution until 30 seconds or 1 minute. Now I'm going to filter the solution using the filter funnel. Now I'm going to pour the filter solution into the flask, which is the cleaned before use. Now I'm going to prepare the water bath for 60 Celsius. For that I'm going to measure the temperature. Now put the solution into the water bath for 5 minutes. Now tilt the flask like about some degree and carefully pour the ethanol inside and make sure do not shake the solution. About a 5 milliliter. Then hold about 1 to 2 seconds. Now you could see the middle part of the solution got some threads of DNA of dragon fruit. So now I'm going to use the wooden rod to take out the DNA samples and put on the white paper. The DNA extraction experiment is successful. This is the DNA that I get from the dragon fruit. So thank you, madam.